Hey guys, welcome back. So it's been a busy weekend if you follow the channel. This Thanksgiving long weekend, this is the third video in as many days. And today I'm at my buddy Calvin's. This is, some of you maybe recognize this garage. It's actually where the Beaumont was born. The frame-off restoration of this 67 327 4-speed Beaumont was done in here, as well as most recently the 65 Buick Skylark was actually out of this garage as well. So we've done many fire-up videos, engine fire-up videos, first time in this garage, and today we're going to do another one. Actually, a lot of these cars have gotten in front of a very special project of Calvin's. It was his dream car. It was 67 Chevelle SS396 4-speed car. So yeah, hopefully we don't burn down the garage. Stick along and stick around, guys, and we'll see what happens here. Hopefully we can get this thing running. So we're just about ready to hit the key here. So this is Calvin's 67 Chevelle 396 4-speed car. So for the record, this car was actually, like the Beaumont, stripped of all its goodies, and it came to him without a drivetrain. So this engine here is actually a 402, 71 402, Calvin?
71, yeah.
71.
Out of a Camaro, so it was an SS396 Camaro. You can call it a 396 if you want,
Yeah.
but it's a 402.
402, so it's got a Lunati roller in it. It's a mild build. It was a 325 horse originally.
What do you think?
Yeah.
You want a man on the throttle?
Yep.
Okay.
Well, that lit off pretty fast. Lots of oil pressure there. 70 pounds.
in behind the water. How much is in there? I got two, probably, well, it was 3 months running around. And then I saw it leaving, so it's a
It lives. It lives, Ken.
It lives? Yeah.
Yeah. For the better part of 30, so it's been the better part of 30 years since this car's had a running engine in it. Kelvin's had this car for 30 years, and lots of projects have gotten in front of it. The engine was actually freshened up in about 2008. That's Kelly, the engine builder, in front of it. He built the engine, the transmission, and the rear end of this car. But it's sat here. It's sat here for a lot of years. It's one day you'll be driving it. Gold interior, green exterior, color combination is very different, very unique. From what we can tell, this car is actually, in its original format, it's technically a 101, so it's kind of a rare deal. We'll get into that in another video. Today was just about, getting the thing running. Got the blinker tack. Do you have a temperature gauge on it?
What's that?
Do you have a temperature gauge on it?
No.
yeah, guys, so at least the Chevelle lives after all these years. It's nice to have a running engine in there. Maybe with some luck, Kelvin will be able to drive that next summer. We'll see what the winter holds for us. A lot of cars have come out of that little garage there. A lot of fire up videos in the last couple of seasons, so I wanted to share that one with you. Thanks for tagging along. Appreciate it. We'll see you guys next time.